Life is constant. Life is like a roller coaster ride. It is in you graduates on how you are able to face the challenges of everyday life. In the story, which one are you, Modgans? Are you the potato, the egg, or the coffee bean? The story tells us that the three were tested in the same adversity in life.
We're the fighters.
They were steered in the same situation. The potato, which appeared to be the hard and strong, became soft and weak in the boiling water.
We're the dreamers. We push through.
Are you an egg, which is fragile, with thin outer layer, but when simmered in the boiling water, becomes hard?
But on the map, we've made it to the other side singing.
Or are you a coffee bean that, when simmered in the boiling water, change the color of the water and smells good?
Hold your head up high. This is our time. Hold your head up high. This is our time. Together we will rise, step into the light. We were born to come alive. Hold your head up high. This is our time.
This is not the last. This is not the end. Yet the start of a more challenging life. There's more exciting life ahead. Hindi natatapos sa araw na ito at hindi ito yung tagumpay na minimiti ninyo. There is no easy road to success. Nothing worth your while comes easy. Walang madali kung gusto nyo makamit ang tagumpay.
Give a big hands to your parents, guardians, and partners in life.
Mama, kamusta na di na? Tayo laging nagkikita, miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauuna. Di ba
I want to express our deepest gratitude to our parents and families. Your love, sacrifices, and unwavering support have been the driving force behind our accomplishments. You have been there to celebrate our triumphs, provide comfort during our challenges, and teach us the value of perseverance and determination.
Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata ka na. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na. La tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la tara, la tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la tara. Papa na
Madali para sa atin kung gusto natin magtagumpay. Kahirapan, no way. Hindi hadlang ang kahirapan para hindi nyo makamit ang tagumpay. Suporta ng mga magulang, ang sarili nyong determinasyon, ang sarili nyong pananaw, at ang pagiging matatag na kahit anong hamon sa buhay, nakaharapin nyo, lalo na yung mga challenge learners natin na kung saan binigyan ng pagkakataong matapos ninyo ang senior high school para kayo makapagtrabaho, makapagkolehiyo, makagawa ng sariling negosyo, at kung saan pa para nyo makamit.
Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata.